What plumbing services remain strong during economic downturns? Emergency repairs, drain clearing, water heater repairs, and leak detection stay strong no matter what the economy is doing, because these are needs, not wants, and people cannot put off a burst pipe or a broken water heater just because money is tight. Think of it this way. When times get hard, people stop remodeling their kitchens or adding a fancy new bathroom, but they still need water to run and their toilets to flush. That is why plumbers who focus on repair and maintenance work almost always stay busy, even when new construction slows way down. Something a lot of people do not know is that many plumbing companies actually shift their entire business model during a downturn, moving away from big installation jobs and putting more focus on maintenance plans, where a customer pays a small fee every month or every year to get regular checkups on their pipes and water heater. This keeps steady cash flow coming in for the plumber and helps the homeowner catch small problems early before they turn into expensive disasters. So if you are a homeowner, signing up for one of these maintenance plans, even during a recession, can actually save you a lot of money and stress down the road. One common mistake people make is waiting too long to fix a small leak because they are trying to save money, but a tiny leak left alone can turn into thousands of dollars in water damage. So the tip here is to always get small leaks checked out fast. Another misconception is that all plumbers raise their prices during tough economic times, but in reality many lower their rates or offer discounts to keep customers coming in. So it is always worth asking around and comparing quotes. A third thing to be aware of is that people often confuse a licensed plumber with a handyman, and hiring the wrong person for a serious pipe or water heater issue can actually cost more in the long run, so always check for proper licensing before hiring anyone. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Joe Bite here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.